Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make jeans rugged at the bottom. First, prepare your jeans by giving them a good wash. This softens the denim, making it easier to work with. Next, grab a pair of sharp scissors and make tiny horizontal snips along the bottom edge, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep. Then, use tweezers or a seam ripper to carefully pull out the white horizontal threads, leaving the blue vertical ones for that perfectly distressed, rugged finish. To really enhance the rugged look, after your initial fraying, toss your jeans into the washing machine and dryer. The agitation will naturally pull more threads, creating a more pronounced and authentic distressed edge. For extra wear, gently rub sandpaper or even a cheese grater along the hem and other high-friction areas. This technique helps to thin the fabric and create a softer, worn-in appearance, mimicking years of natural wear and tear. Another fantastic way to achieve a rugged bottom is through strategic cuffing. You can roll your jeans up 2 or 3 times for a neat, yet sturdy, cuff. For a more intentionally rugged aesthetic, try rolling them unevenly, allowing some of the frayed edges to peek out. If you want your cuffs to stay perfectly in place throughout the day, a few small, discreet stitches on the inside seam will secure them without being visible, ensuring a consistent look. Finally, for ultimate ruggedness and longevity, consider reinforcing or patching the bottom of your jeans. Iron-on denim patches applied to the inside of the hem can prevent further fraying and add significant durability. For a more visible, personalized rugged style, stitch on decorative fabric patches to the outside. When hand-stitching, always opt for a heavy-duty thread, like a denim or upholstery thread, to ensure your repairs and reinforcements stand up to daily wear and tear, making your jeans truly last.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.